Hi, I'm Dr. Gauri Kumra, having practiced for 33 years in Kolkata. I do everything in passion. My paintings share passion, my cooking shares passion. I love to do everything with passion. So, I'm going to serve you kebabs made of starch, as in sweet potato and suran or jinikan. Orange color is given by chickpeas and chane ki dal, and green is by matar or peas and dhania pudina ki chutney. Along with that, I will serve coconut chutney. So everything is with passion. Life is all about passion, passion, and passion. Thank Hello friends, I'm going to make kababe nazar with sweet potato and jimmikan or sorun. Both are tubers, rich in fiber and low in carbohydrate and fats. Along with this, I have used a flavoring agent, that is chickpea, but this is not good for hypertensive patient as sodium content is high. Peas. Peas are very good for diabetics, rich in fiber, rich in protein. But the best is chane ki dal. It is low fat, gluten free, and high protein. Now I am making kebab with chickpeas for normotensive patients and family members. You see here, I put the seek. And mind you, I have not added any. So all the first preparations are going to be with sweet potato and pea. Here it is. Knead it, dough it. You know, sweet potato, I've put very little, so there's very little of ingredients. Here it is. This is pea kebab, and now the last one I'm going to make is chane ka kebab, the best kebab. And there's not much time needed for all this, because whatever you have left in the night, if you just dry it and make a paste with a blender like sweet potato or jimmikan. Now my sweet potato is done. Now I'm roasting. Now again, this is oil free, and again we are curtailing the carb and the fat intake. Few minutes are needed for proper roasting, and the kebab is done. It's roasted. So this is chickpea sweet potato kebab, done, oil free. And this is chane ki dal with dalchini. And this is, oh my god, this is pea kebab, all done. And now we do the same thing with chickpea and put it in between the coils. Jimmikan, with pea, knead it, insert it, put it between the coils, and take little more of this. I think wearing the plastic is a bad idea, because with the heat, plastic glove tends to stick to the fingers and it may cause burn. So we will have to find another way to protect the customer or the family member from having. And now I switch on. And now the jimmikan kebab is done, well roasted, and we're ready to have it. High protein, high fiber, low on carbohydrates and low on fat.
ये क्या है? ये कबाब है नजर। ये धनिया पुदीना का चटनी, ये नारियल का चटनी। मैडम,
Thank you so much.
मैडम,
Thank you, thank you. ये क्या लेके आई हो तुम?
चिकन कबाब।
Oh wow, मेरे को तो मजा आने वाला है। Wow, I'm going to have it. मैं चने की दाल वाला खाती हूँ।